Host, it's Nash.
Yes.
At the top of Denali. All right, here we go. This might not work at all. Here we are at the top of Denali. There's the official top of Denali. Host, it's Nash.
Yes.
At the top of Denali. Never would have made it if it wasn't for my excellent guide, Emma, who doesn't want to be really associated with this probably. But we made it, and in honor, the true Nash-Style, can you hold that please? We are going to chop open a coconut, maybe, because it took about 3 weeks to get up here, and it has frozen and thawed so many times.
Hold hard.
No way.
Let's see if these boots will hold. All right, here we go. This might not work at all, because everything's so soft and frozen. Yeah, I don't know, it's gonna go. Yeah, it's really frozen, so we got a backup.
A non-frozen one?
The ice axe. Not even the ice axe.
This is great.
Give me one more. There we go.
There we go.
Officially broken. All right. I'm gonna get out of here before I die. Oof.
Well, I have to admit, that wasn't as spectacular as I thought it was going to be 3 weeks ago when I was told in the hangar about the coconut. But it is cold out.